showers. Yeah, Wolfgang. Got a 5 showers spot in here. Everybody can shower up nicely. And whatever that bridge is over there, grand view to that one. Without gaijin lifestyle. Let's see these guys. We got a Toyota here. Hey! Ni hao, Rui Sui. I go Rui Sui.
How
Is you go Rui Sui?
Okay, okay.
Oh, it's okay? It's okay? Okay. Jump. What? Rui Sui, okay. Oh, okay.
Sultan.
Sultan. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Damn, that was the first fail. Make it spin, bro. Come on, mate. Okay, we coming back? We're back. Okay, had a little signal issue there. So imagine if those have now all the curtains and mattresses, and you come here at night, have a bit of champagne. That's out of a movie studio indeed. All the beach benches over there too, for people who want to take sun. I'm not in these days really bothered about it so much, because I get that sun either way. Okay, let's have a look. I'm gonna pop back on the stairs. That was the beach, guys, and I'm gonna see what's going on with that building on the back and this majestic bridge. So maybe we can walk that majestic bridge to the other side and see what's going on. Opera house, I believe, since they said there's one, or like a theater. Could be a theater too. This is a place one can take a full day just for relaxing. You can do kayaking in here, apparently. Gotta rent a mat from somewhere. What is this place down here? Oh yeah, Trey Wolfgang. Maybe that's the rental price for water sports. Locker rental, shower, change clothes, towel, shampoo, shower gel, chair rental. Ah, okay, so you can basically just rent stuff from here. Chairs and everything. Hello!